In today's video, I'm going to show you what you can do with just a few ingredients using your air fryer.
These bacon and cheese twists are crispy, buttery, and packed with smoky bacon and gooey cheese. Because I use store-bought puff pastry, they were super simple to make and totally addictive. You can find the list of these ingredients in the video description below. They are perfect for parties, snacks, and anytime you're craving something savory, delicious, and crunchy. Give them a try and let me know what dip you pair them with. Prepare the puff pastry by rolling it out on a lightly floured surface. Brush the dough with melted butter, making sure to cover the entire surface. Then on half the dough, spread with crumbled bacon. Season with garlic powder and Italian seasoning. Sprinkle about a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and spread about 1 cup of shredded cheese. I'm using a cheddar cheese blend here. Press everything down and make sure it only covers half of the pastry dough. If you use parchment paper, folding the dough over itself will be much easier. When it's folded like this, use a rolling pin to help press it all together. Using a knife or a pizza cutter, cut into 1/2 inch wide strips. Then twist each strip tight and press the ends together so they don't unravel. Brush the completed cheese twist with egg wash and then get them into your preheated air fryer basket. Line them up about 1 inch apart, making sure they don't touch, and finish with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Turn them about halfway through so they can crisp up evenly. They pair perfectly with ranch, marinara, or honey mustard. My choice is creamy ranch.
They're not the prettiest things in the world, but they are delicious.
This recipe is a social media favorite. Forget frozen pizza. These air fryer pizza bombs are crispy, cheesy, and super easy. They're crispy on the outside and packed with gooey, cheesy goodness on the inside. All you need is biscuit dough and a few simple ingredients. The ingredients I use are in the description below. These air fryer pizza bombs are the ultimate snack for game nights, parties, or even when you need a quick craving fix. Try them out and let me know your favorite filling. Before we start, make sure to preheat the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Take each biscuit and flatten it into a small circle about 4 inches in diameter. Add 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce in the center, 2 pepperoni slices, and about a tablespoon of shredded mozzarella cheese packed on top. Add a pinch of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and grated Parmesan cheese. To seal them, carefully pull up the edges and pinch them together, forming a ball. I roll them on the cutting board like this to ensure they're completely sealed. When I finish rolling them out, I brush the tops with some melted butter, then sprinkle more grated cheese and Italian seasoning. When you're ready to cook them, place the pizza bombs seam side down in the air fry basket, making sure not to crowd them. Air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 9 minutes or until golden brown. For the last couple of minutes I flip them to get the bottom crispy also. When they come out, let them cool for a minute or two. You can sprinkle them with more Parmesan cheese and serve them with a side of pizza sauce for dipping.
Ooh, look at that cheese pull, huh? It's still steamy.
If you love air fryer recipes, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Pizza in a cupcake? Oh yeah. These are crispy, cheesy, and made in minutes. Let's do this. Pizza cupcakes are the perfect handheld snacks and made in the air fryer in under 10 minutes. So easy to make. Your favorite pizza flavors in a bite-sized cup? What's not to love? I'll leave the ingredients list in the video description below. I have to admit, unwrapping and popping these tubes is somewhat satisfying. Bonsai! Unroll the dough and let it relax. It'll be easier to work with. First, oil or butter your muffin tins. Add about a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese to the bottom to give extra flavor and a little bit of crust. Now let's prepare the dough. Press each crescent triangle into the bottom of the muffin cups so it forms a cup shape. Don't worry if they don't look perfect, they're all different. That's part of the fun. If you have too much dough left over, you can cut some off or just fold it over the top. When you're done forming the cupcake bottoms, let's get into the filling. Spoon in about 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of some cooked sausage meat or your favorite toppings, making sure to pack it in nice and tight. Add in your seasonings. I'm using garlic powder and Italian seasonings. And top with a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. Make sure to pack it all in. Let me know your ultimate pizza topping. Drop it in the comments. Preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Air fry the pizza cups for 7 to 10 minutes or until golden brown with the dough fully cooked and the cheese melted. Make sure you let them cool slightly. They will release much easier. Then, when you're ready to dig in, perform the obligatory cheese pull. For this air fryer snack, I'm making next level jalapeno poppers. They're crispy, cheesy, packed with spicy goodness, and super easy to make. Make sure to clean your jalapeno peppers. Cut them in half and remove the seeds and membrane. This also reduces the spicy heat factor. To make the cheese filling, in a bowl, mix about 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Add in 1/2 cup of shredded cheeses. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella here. 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/4 cup of bacon pieces. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. I also added some green onion to the mix for color and flavor. Pop the dough tube and unravel it. The dough should already be perforated to the right size. Tear off each triangle and lay it flat on the cutting board. 1 triangle is perfect for 1 jalapeno popper. Take each half of the jalapeno pepper and stuff it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of the cheese mixture and press it into the cavity. Then place it on the large end of the triangle, leaving about 1 inch on the end. Fold the dough over the pepper and continue rolling like this. If the dough is not pre-cut, just cut the dough into strips or triangles. Preheat your air fry oven 360 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using some parchment paper so they don't stick. Because these are quite large, I can fit about 4 in this basket. Leave some space between them so they don't stick together. Brush them with some melted butter and air fry for 8 to 10 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip them after about 5 minutes. Let them cool for a few minutes. Listen to that crunch and look at how creamy they are on the inside. How about some jalapeno and cheese pinwheel snacks? They're the perfect balance of creamy, spicy, and crispy. You won't believe how fast these will disappear. Check in the description for the ingredients list. In a bowl, mix about 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Any combination you like would work here. 2 tablespoons of chopped jalapenos, chopped green onion or chives, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and sweet paprika. Mix well until it's all combined. I use 2 medium or large soft flour tortillas. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of cheese spread in the center of the tortilla and spread it evenly, making sure to go all the way to the edges. Place 2 slices of ham or pre-cooked bacon slices will be great here. Then roll it nice and tight. Cut each rolled tortilla into 1-inch slices. Go ahead and eat the ends, they're for quality control. Make sure to preheat your air fryer at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Placing a piece of parchment paper on the bottom of the basket also helps with the cleanup afterwards. Spacing is not necessary here. Brush each pinwheel with the melted butter. Air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden and crispy. They're great just like this, or you can serve them with ranch or sour cream.
These are my 5 favorite snack recipes to make in the air fryer. Hope you enjoyed them. Let me know which ones you like. See you in the next video.